HubSpot Academy free online certificate courses. Okay, all so I decided to enroll myself to test how legit this platform is. So this platform, they have a lot of courses that you can take, and they are saying that most of these courses are for free. As you can see, they have email marketing here, they have social media marketing, power your business through WhatsApp, integrating with HubSpot One Foundation. So as you scroll down, there are a lot of programs that you can choose from. They have digital marketing and so on. So I decided to enroll myself on this platform to test how legit it is. So I decided to enroll myself on this course, which is SEO2, which is search engine optimization. So after completing this course, this is what happened. So let me take you through. So I just enrolled myself on this course, which is the SEO part 2, and this course is SEO2 certification course, free certificate course, and they are saying that this is a free certificate course. So these are some of the things that you are expected to know. Now, so this is the course I just enrolled. So I'll log in to my account and show you the things that you need. Who is this for? So this course describe those who are for this SEO part 2, junior SEOs looking to level up their skills, advanced marketers seeking out more refined SEO tactics, people who have earned the SEO certification or have solid. What you will learn. So this also describe what you are expected to also learn on this course. And then you scroll down here, you see course details. So course include 4 lessons, 14 videos, 4 quizzes, and is 2 hours 21 minutes course. Our course curriculum. Okay, so these are the things that you learn, and then these are the lecturers that are going to take you through the courses. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4 lecturers who are going to take you through the course, and they're saying that it's free. The course is what? Very free. Okay, so let me show you after completing all this what happens. Okay, so I'll click on continue. After completing the course and also taking my exams, I was able to pass. So I just got this that congratulations Asare, you passed the SEO2 exams on this is the day that I passed the exam. So view certification, this is the point that I want to know if it is legit that you can get a free certificate from this platform. So I clicked on view certificate and boom, this is it. As you can see, HubSpot SEO2 certified Isaac Asare, and it says that the bearer of this certificate is hereby deemed knowledgeable in SEO and capable of implementing advanced SEO tactics on a website. So this is a legit platform that you can enroll yourself to learn, and you will be able to get free certified certificate. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.